10 swing, the Jaeger bomb is a lethal weapon. Vince, Denver on deck, looking good. Scott Sweat, arguably the most dominant driver in this style of entertainment over the last couple of years. Track's ready, clocks are good. Let's get it on. Scott Sweat and no sweat. One of them. And you just watch as he gets up to the jump, he knows exactly where to punch it. And let it fly, just like that. Now that's a good call on that turn, because if you get close to the wall over here, just a little bit deeper to slow you down. So he's been on the fast track so far, and he makes his turn, and here he goes. Air it out, baby. And you'll notice there's a little down slope right where he landed. That was probably as good as I can imagine somebody doing. 42.070 is the time.